Think you know everything about our planet? Think again. The Earth is full of mysteries and mind-blowing facts that most people have never heard of. Did you know there's a massive ocean hidden beneath the Earth's surface? Or that our planet once had 2 moons? From the strangest natural phenomena to shocking scientific discoveries, we're revealing 10 incredible facts about the Earth that you definitely didn't learn in school. Get ready to see the world in a whole new way. Today we will talk about 10 shocking facts about the Earth you never learned in school. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. The Earth is full of mysteries, some of which even scientists are still trying to understand. While we all learned the basics of our planet's structure, climate, and natural wonders in school, there are many shocking and lesser-known facts about Earth that might leave you in awe. From hidden oceans deep beneath the surface to mind-blowing weather phenomena, the Earth is far more complex and surprising than you might think. In this video, we will explore 10 of the most shocking facts about Earth that you probably never learned in school. Stick around until the end, because the last fact will completely change how you see our planet. The Earth has an underground ocean, larger than all surface oceans. Combined scientists have discovered that deep within the Earth, there is an enormous reservoir of water trapped within minerals in the mantle. This hidden ocean is estimated to be 3 times the volume of all the surface oceans combined. It exists in the transition zone, about 400 to 600 kilometers below the surface, and is stored in a mineral called ringwoodite. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the Earth's water cycle, as it suggests that water may not have arrived on Earth via comets, but could have been here all along, trapped deep within the planet. If this underground water were ever released, it could drastically change the surface of our world, potentially creating new oceans or altering existing ones. The Earth's core is hotter than the surface of the Sun. You probably learned in school that the Earth's core is extremely hot, but did you know that it is actually hotter than the surface of the Sun? The inner core of the Earth reaches temperatures of around 5,700 degrees Celsius, 10,300 degrees Fahrenheit, while the Sun's surface is only about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe this extreme heat comes from leftover energy from the planet's formation, combined with the radioactive decay of elements such as uranium and thorium. This incredible heat is responsible for Earth's magnetic field and plate tectonics, which shape the land we live on. Without it, the planet would be lifeless and barren. There is a giant, spinning vortex in the South Atlantic Ocean. One of the strangest anomalies on Earth is the South Atlantic Anomaly, a region where the planet's magnetic field is significantly weaker than anywhere else. This anomaly allows cosmic radiation to penetrate closer to Earth's surface, posing a challenge for satellites and spacecraft passing through the area. Even more bizarre is that the anomaly appears to be growing and shifting over time, and scientists are still trying to understand why. Some theories suggest that it may be caused by irregularities in the flow of molten iron within the Earth's outer core. If this anomaly continues to grow, it could have serious implications for our planet's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. Earth was once completely covered in ice. About 700 million years ago, Earth experienced a period known as Snowball Earth, when the entire planet was covered in ice. Scientists believe that glaciers stretched from pole to pole, creating an environment that would have been almost unrecognizable compared to today's world. This extreme freezing event lasted for millions of years and was one of the most dramatic climate shifts in Earth's history. Some researchers believe that volcanic activity eventually helped the planet warm up again by releasing carbon dioxide, which created a greenhouse effect and melted the ice. The idea that Earth could completely freeze over and then thaw out is a testament to the planet's resilience and constant evolution. You might think that a day on Earth is always 24 hours long, but in reality, it is slowly getting longer. Due to the gravitational interactions between the Earth and the Moon, the planet's rotation is gradually slowing down. This means that millions of years ago, a day was much shorter than it is today. Around 1.4 billion years ago, a day on Earth was only about 18 hours long. Scientists estimate that Earth's rotation slows by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. While this might not seem like much, over millions of years, it could lead to significantly longer days. If you've ever wished for more hours in a day, just be patient. Given enough time, the planet will grant your wish. Earth has more than one moon. Kind of. We all know about the moon, but did you know that Earth has other moons as well? These are not true moons in the way that our main moon is, but rather objects called quasi-satellites. One of the most well-known quasi-moons is 3753 Cruthen, an asteroid that follows a complex orbit around the Earth and Sun. Though it never gets close enough to be considered a true satellite, it has been locked in this unique dance with our planet for thousands of years. Other similar objects have been discovered, and astronomers believe there may be more waiting to be found. These celestial bodies remind us that our cosmic neighborhood is far more dynamic than we often realize. The deepest point on Earth is still a mystery. The Mariana Trench is known as the deepest place on Earth, reaching a depth of about 11 kilometers, 6.8 miles, in the Pacific Ocean. However, what lies at the very bottom of the trench remains largely unknown. Fewer people have explored the deepest parts of the ocean than have walked on the moon. The extreme pressure and darkness make it incredibly difficult to study, and scientists believe there may be undiscovered species and geological formations hiding in the abyss. Recent explorations have revealed strange creatures, bizarre underwater volcanoes, and even microplastics, showing that even the most remote parts of our planet are not untouched by human activity. The Amazon rainforest creates its own rain. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the Earth because of its ability to produce oxygen. But did you know it also creates its own rain? The dense vegetation releases moisture into the air through a process called transpiration, which then condenses and falls back as rain. This cycle helps sustain the rainforest and keeps the ecosystem thriving. Without this natural self-sustaining process, the Amazon would struggle to survive, and its disappearance could have devastating effects on global climate patterns. In recent years, deforestation has threatened this delicate balance, raising concerns about the long-term health of one of Earth's most important ecosystems. The Earth moves under your feet. More than you realize, you may not feel it, but the ground beneath you is constantly moving. Earthquakes are a visible sign of this movement, but even when no earthquakes are occurring, the Earth's crust is always shifting. This is due to the movement of tectonic plates, which float on the semi-fluid mantle below. Some places, such as California's San Andreas Fault, experience constant motion, with the land shifting by centimeters each year. Over millions of years, these movements have created mountains, valleys, and even entire continents. The idea that the seemingly solid ground beneath us is actually in a state of slow but constant motion is both fascinating and a little unsettling. Earth is an incredible, ever-changing planet filled with surprises. From hidden oceans deep below the surface to entire rainforests that create their own weather, our planet is more complex and mysterious than most of us ever realized. The more we learn about Earth, the more we understand just how little we actually know. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.